Hello friends, it's Nails by Ray and welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are having a beautiful day, and if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite nail channel. In today's video, I'm unboxing and showcasing some PR products sent to me by Born Pretty. So sit back, relax, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on my socials if you haven't already, and let's get on with the video. Alrighty you guys, so these are the products that Born Pretty sent, so thank you to Born Pretty for sending these over. So here I have some of their X Jelly Gel Polishes and their liner paint gels. So first I'm going to show off the X Jelly Gel Polishes. These are the All Shine On Me gel polishes that they have, and this one is in the color Glitter Jelly, which is a green glittery translucent shade. Also, the link to all these products are in the description below, and if you use my code nailsbyrey on the Born Pretty website, you'll get 10% off your purchase. This next shade is their Semi Jelly, which is a blue translucent jelly shade. And the last jelly gel polish is their Milk Jelly shade, which is in the color pink. So now moving on to their liner paint gels. These are the two paint gels that they sent over. There's one in the color white and then there's one in the color gold. So before I swatch these on some plastic nails, I'm going to be showing you what they look like. So I'm opening up the green glitter jelly. This one has some fine glitters in it, and I feel like this one's gonna be my favorite shade. I can already see a bunch of nail sets that I can do with this color, and it's very magical and it's giving like very fairy core. I don't know about you, but it gives like an ethereal vibe. And this next shade is the Semi Jelly one in a shade blue. It looked really pigmented and really opaque when I pulled it out, but when you brush it on, it is transparent, which I do like for a jelly because it helps you build it up. So after a few coats, you can get a really opaque shade of blue, or if you want a more translucent shade, you just only would put, I guess, 1 or 2 coats of this shade. And this one is the Milky Jelly shade in the color pink, and this one is another one that I thought was really opaque when I pulled it out, but as you brush it, it does come off translucent, and if you build it up after a few coats, it does get into a darker color. So now I have my nail swatch stick, and I put a layer of base coat on it and I cured it for 30 seconds under my nail lamp. And the first color I'm going for is my glitter jelly because this is the color that I'm really excited for. I will be applying 3 coats of each of these colors to my nail swatch sticks just so you can see how they look after 1, 2, and 3 coats. The next shade on my swatch list is my Semi Jelly. I'm going to be swatching 3 coats of this as well. And lastly, this shade I'm swatching is my Milky Jelly shade in the color pink. So after swatching, this is what the nail colors look like, and you guys tell me which one is your favorite. You already know my favorite is the glitter jelly in green. I am obsessed with that shade and I can't wait to do something with it. So please let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite shade, and we'll move on to the next part of this video. I have my nail stand here with 5 nail tips down, and I'm going to create a nail set using the 2 liner gel polishes that I have, and the jelly polishes I'm going to be posting a video using all of those shades tomorrow, so please stick around and check out that video tomorrow when it drops. And so before I use my liner paint gels to create my design, I'm going to lay down a layered base coat, and then I'll apply 4 coats of a nude gel polish. So after applying 4 coats of the gel polish, I'm going to be adding a layer of matte gel polish to cure for 30 seconds under my nail lamp before I begin my design. now that my nails are matte, I'm going to be using the white liner paint gel, and I'm going to create a asymmetrical design, and this is going to be different on each of the nails. So when I do line art, I like to make sure as I'm pulling the brush out of the bottle that I'm kind of wiping off any excess gel polish on the brush. I want to make sure I have the least amount of gel polish on there where it's enough to be pigmented but not to the point where there's too much of it on the brush, because sometimes you can flood it over and then you lose the line art design that you're trying to create. So this is what my design looks like after I finish using the white liner paint gel. I'm going to go in with my gold one, but before I do, I'm going to add a layer of base gel and cure that for 30 seconds. I like to do this in between any of my designs, just in case I mess up and I have to wipe it off. I don't mess up the design that I have underneath. Now, what I wanted to do with the gold liner paint gel is to basically outline the pattern that I created with the white, and then I'm going to go over it like 2 times just to make sure it's pigment enough, because sometimes glitter gel polishes don't show up as pigmented the first time around. So I'll be adding 2 coats of this, just tracing along the white pattern that I already created. cap off the design, I'm going to add a layer of no wipe top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. So these are what the finished nails look like. I think these are really pretty and elegant. Thank you so much to Born Pretty for sending these products over. I really loved working with these liner paint gels. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video where I'll be using the other gel polishes I swatched earlier and creating a really pretty nail set. And of course, thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. I hope you guys loved how these nails came out. And if you do, be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you never miss any uploads from my channel. And I will see you in the next video.